Not gonna lie, it's a little trippy. See what I mean? Ha! Ain't that cool? Fan assembly. Step 1, unpackage everything. Step 2, install this thing. Then install these things connected to this. Now you got the base of the fan up there installed. Go ahead and wire up your wires. White wire first, then your hots. And then we'll go ahead and install this thing. Put in a light bulb. Make sure that our switches are working. The fan is working. And then we'll go on to the next step. Next, we're going to go ahead and put all our fan blades on. Now we got our fan blades on, we can go ahead and put this on to attach it to the ceiling. And then we can go ahead and attach this to that part and put the globe on. And that's it. So I'll do that real quick. That's it, guys. If that was helpful, if this was too general, let me know. If it was helpful or not helpful, if it's too general, if you want more specifics. If you like this video, give it a like. If you dislike it, give it 2 dislikes. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks, guys.